are in 3D printing class, and we are
Making a chess set?
Yeah, we are making a chess set out of all the pieces that we are using.
So what's this class about?
It's about 3D printing
We're able to
and
like design things. and
designing
print
with
them
3D
or something.
printing.
I
If you
made a
look over
Monopoly
there, you
piece.
can see what we're currently printing. It's name tags or keychains, either one.
Are you
I
guys
made
gonna?
a Monopoly piece.
I made a brick. This is certified brick maker on it.
Yesterday we made stamps that you were able to color on, and you could stamp them.
Are you guys gonna be able to bring this all home?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, that's awesome. Thank you.